Breaking news. MiCA in Europe has been approved. So the 27 member states have voted yes. Their representatives have voted yes on MiCA, which stands for Markets in Crypto Assets. So now that gives it the green light to go into the legislation stage. So we're going to have clear law that regulates cryptocurrencies in Europe. Now, Britain isn't a part of Europe anymore since Brexit. But as they say, what's good for the goose is good for the gander. So even though they're not politically the same union anymore, ideologically and, economically and everything, they're quite related. So I can imagine that something similar is going to be enacted in the UK very soon. In the UK, we already had some relatively clear tax laws that were released a couple of years ago that were way clearer than most other countries. And most of us have lived by that so far. Now, some people don't like legislation. Some people don't like being controlled, especially people who are into crypto, who are ideologically anti-establishment. But what this does, though, is it gives a foundation, and a more solid foundation, rather, to cryptocurrencies in Europe. And it gives a kind of confidence to people around the world that deal with cryptocurrencies that, say, for whatever reason, crypto gets completely banned in the US and Asia somewhere. Cryptocurrency hodlers around the world know that they still have Europe as, a viable, legal off and on ramp, fiat ramp into crypto. So that gives it some sort of solid background, some assurance level that is much needed in the cryptocurrency world. I mean, there's been speculation, obviously fear-mongering and FUD, that crypto was going to be completely outlawed, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is, just totally outlawed in Europe. But this legislation at least demonstrates that the opposite, in fact, is the case. So, we're not going to get a ban anytime soon. In fact, they're moving ahead to solidify it as a well-recognized asset and to join the other asset classes that have been in existence for centuries, okay? So this is a positive win for crypto, even though some people might see it as government intrusion in our anti-establishment setup, right? So, I'll see you in the next video. Just a quick one for the breaking news.